Alright, we're working in a little two-bedroom townhome style arrangement with some stairs. No carpets downstairs, these are the upstairs bedrooms. This is another another complex, and they vacuum the carpets before we arrive. That's part of the deal. So we're going to clean these rooms. I don't know if we'll try to video the stairs because it's so dark in the staircase.
Yeah, this one's got a staircase. It's a townhome, so we shot it upstairs, downstairs. All the carpet's upstairs and on the stairs, on the steps.
Alright. This is kind of one of those weird situations. We got called and we decided to just come out and do it immediately because we have a big day scheduled tomorrow. And we didn't want to try to fit one in. They needed it done tomorrow. And we decided if we could come tonight, we'll just do it in the evening. I'll show you real quick. There's a little landing area. And then this other room. This room's a little bit bigger. But we're starting back here. I may have to pause because the manager may be coming in. If we do, I don't know. If she does, I'll pause and visit with her and then get back. There's a lot of noise up here. The wind's blowing the blinds. This is a frise style carpet. It's actually a nice pattern for apartments because it's going to hide a lot of the staining and stuff that is usually going to occur. We're shooting this one for the YouTube channel, but also for our VLM Carpet Cleaners Lounge. I'll put a link in the description. Anybody who wants to can join. You don't have to be a carpet cleaner. You can be just someone who likes to watch cleaning. We have custodians, janitors, housekeepers. We have some car detailers starting to show up. We got a lot of vacuum enthusiasts, and it's just a fun group. Trying to have a nice, friendly place people can go where they don't have to worry about having to deal with difficult people. So I'll put a link there, and you guys can go check that out.
And there it is.
Did you do the closet?
No, not will. I'm getting this dark stain. I think I can get it all the way out, so I will. Now, dark stains, you can get them out, you can't get them out. It just depends.
Depends on if it's worn into the carpet and the carpet fibers are deteriorated.
But they can usually come out if you work them, which is what we just done on this. It was a pretty dark area, and it is, I don't know what the camera shows, but my eyes show that it's missed, the dark stain's gone.
Okay, I'm going to pause, and then he needs to pre-spray ahead a little bit, because we just pre-sprayed this room. We're going to spray the hallway.
I'll leave that door open and let some air in.
We need to do the other bedroom, and we need to do the landing up here, and then we'll resume.
And I think all the dirt's out, but I'll go over it a little bit anyway because it is dirty. We'll turn the camera back on when it's time to switch rooms or whatever.
Yep, stay tuned. Alright, YouTube audience and VLM Carpet Cleaners Lounge. He's going to drive that thing in here, it sounds like. Now we've got our pre-spray down. You can see where the bed was sitting. Are you going over something again? Now this is simple green and ammonia, and there's about 8 ounces per gallon of each. So we've mixed about an equal part. You can always put a little more ammonia in if the carpet's really dark and dingy. Or if you have a carpet that's really, really light, you don't really need any ammonia at all. So it's up to you, just kind of do what you want. And it does help tone down the smell of the ammonia quite a bit, but you can still smell it a little.
Oh yeah.
Hey Jay, I don't know if there's another closet behind that door. I don't know what's in there.
It's all part of one big closet.
Okay. Watch out, you may pinch your cord under the door.
Yahoo, there it is. I'm starting to wish all closets everywhere had hard floor in them. I hate no closets.
Yeah. Now, if some of you are new to this, and it doesn't seem like it goes as easy for you, it just gets easier in time. At first, you may fight the machine a little bit, have to work a little harder than you'd like, but it gets simpler and simpler with time.
I've been doing these for so long that it's just playing around to me.
Yeah, this VLM, and that's very low moisture. Some people don't know what that means. Very low moisture cleaning. We actually call it low moisture cleaning when we advertise and stuff. We don't use VLM ourselves in the advertising, but it's a really easy method to master. It gets great results, and the carpets dry really quickly, so it's a real good thing. And this particular townhome, with the way it's set up, it'd be a real pain to have to drag hoses and everything up here to try to clean it with a wand, and it would take a while to dry. So this is a little bit easier. There's certain situations where low moisture cleaning, VLM, is just the best choice for that particular site. And this is actually after their office hours, so we're trying to get this done and get on to our evening too.
And the best part of this whole job is when we come back Friday and get the check. That's the funnest part about it, is getting paid.
Yeah, that's always a nice bonus. I don't know if he's going to use the Oreck on these stairs. He may use a hand.
No, I'm going to use a Harbor Freight car polisher.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Well, the reason I won't use an Oreck is I know you can, but my pad jobber, I've been using this thing for like 4 or 5 years, and I've got it to the point where the gripper teeth on the bottom, if you lift the machine up, the pad can kind of fly off. It'll hold the pad on no matter what, but if you hold it mid-air, it can sling the pad or the bonnet. So I don't want to take it up and down stairs, because every time I lift it up for the next step, the pad will try to fly.
Yeah, you'd have to turn it on and off and on and off and on.
And I'm
and
not
off.
going to do all that. I'll just use a hand polisher and I'll be just as quick.
We'll get the landing with the Oreck, and then we'll switch over to the hand polisher. And I don't think it's going to be something we can video.
We'll try.
Possibly.
See.
I might be able to video it from above. You guys can take a look at Jay's bald spot.
Yeah. Do I got one? If I do, they can see it.
We'll know soon.
We'll know soon, yes.
Yeah, 55 happens and your hair starts to disappear. You just don't realize it. Trying to see if there's a switch in here.
Now, I don't think I really got a bald spot, but he's been teasing me about that for years, because I used to wear real long hair. And, but anyway, it's a fun little joke.
Yeah, I turn their closet lights off. Oh, it's always nice when you clean, leave doors, like closets and stuff, leave them open just a little bit so they can air out.
Yeah, they can dry.
They'll dry faster because it's hard to get airflow into a closet. All right, this is where the rubber meets the road. Huh?
It's already met.
I can't see it from that angle. Let me go over here.
It's not a real challenge.
If in doubt, just put a little more pre-spray down.
Yep, just get it wet again.
Okay, now there is some wear in the carpet. You can see kind of where the bed was at. That's where they put their feet down getting in and out of bed, so it's going to maybe not necessarily match 100% with the rest of the fibers. Yeah, you might also, when you're cleaning, if you can find a direction to clean in that leaves the nap all looking uniform, you can always touch it up, you know, with that. Of course, a carpet rake is a great thing too. You about ready for the landing?
Pretty quick.
Alright. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause once again.
You know what? I don't see no sign of nothing that needs fixed.
Yeah.
Let me hit the doorway one more time, just in case, because it was dark. I think it's pretty good, but I'll just play with it.
Yeah, if in doubt, just go over it again.
Oh yeah.
I think it looks pretty good.
I reckon.
I'm going to pause the camera and we're going to pre-spray the landing and we'll resume, so stay tuned. Alright, here's the landing. There's our bag of goodies in the bathroom there. We carry 2 bags full of spotters and extra chemicals and everything we need.
Yes, we're very proficient. Just kidding.
Well, the bags only weigh about 80 pounds a piece, so it's no problem.
That's your bag of tricks.
Yeah, everybody needs that. That's
how you clean carpets with your bag of tricks. It's a magician's act.
Well, there's some things you come to know and love, and you want to make sure you have them with you. You never know what you're running into. I'm backing down the stairs a little bit, get a different perspective here. One thing I like about the Orbiter, it doesn't sling stuff on people that are close by. It doesn't sling things on walls and things like that either.
No, I never noticed any slinging.
Now the hand polishers, you want to make sure you're not. Yeah, you don't stand too close when someone's running over.
Don't let it sling up in your eyes.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna be running around screaming with some ammonia in the eye, and it hurts.
Yeah, it'll wake you up in the morning.
It's a doozy.
Okay, I'm gonna step back up just to kind of look at the effect here. All right, there's one room. There's another room. And I'm going to pause here because we're going to switch over to stair cleaning mode, and I will try to video as much as I can. I may stand up here and video it as he goes down, but we'll see how it turns out. So stay tuned. All right, we're going to try to tackle these stairs now. This may be too loud to talk over, I don't know. And these stairs are pretty worn out, so getting the dirt out is one thing, but getting the carpet to look brand new again is not possible. Check the video description for links. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
You're not gonna follow me down.
There is one step down there that has damage that they're going to be replacing. So we're cleaning everything, but they're going to replace some of this carpet. They said they may even do the whole stairs. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end here. He's about done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, thanks for watching.